Hi, welcome to my 15 minutes Pilates session. I hope you enjoy it. We're going to stand tall through the body, soft knees, feet hip distance apart, core engaged. We're going to bend forward. Now we're not going to roll round. I want the back nice and straight, shoulders nice and open, hinge at the hips. Just come forwards. Keep the belly button pulled into the spine. Stop when the hamstrings start to pull. You shouldn't feel this in lower back. If you do, just come back up slightly. Keep the back nice and straight, arms relaxed, shoulders down away from the ears. Keep breathing. And slowly bring it back up. Hinge again at the hips, keeping the back straight. Head and neck stay in neutral. Bring it slowly back up. Go again, hinge at the hips. Bring it back up. And this time we're going to come onto the end of the mat and we're going to bend the knees, fold forwards, walk the fingertips down onto the mat, walk them forwards. Come into a plank position, slowly walk them back, keeping the knees bent as we come back up to standing. Shoulder roll at the top. Go again, scoot the belly button in, bend the knees, fingertips to mat, walk the fingertips forward. Pause there, slowly walk back, bending the knees to come back up to standing. 3 more, scoot the belly button in, bend the knees, fingertips to the mat, walk forwards. Pause, slowly bring it back up. Last 2. Slowly bring it up. Last 1. This one we're going to stay down, but from plank we're going to push up into down dog. So push the bottom up in the air, chest pushes towards the thighs. Keep breathing. So you can push those heels towards the mat a little. Okay, bring the body weight forward, drop the knees to the mat, tuck the toes and push back into child pose. Just try taking the knees slightly wider so you're dropping the weight of the chest down towards the mat and just feel that stretch through the thighs. And as you drop the chest slightly lower to the mat, you'll feel the stretch extend through the shoulders. Okay, bring the body up into box. So knees hip distance apart. Underneath hips, hands shoulder width apart, and wrists underneath shoulders. Make sure you're pushing into the whole of the hand, not just into the heel of the hand. Belly button scooped up towards the spine. Back's in neutral. Neck's nice and long. We're going to take the right arm forwards and the left leg back. Reach. Keep the torso nice and still. Slowly bring them back to the mat. Change sides. Left arm, right leg. Really reach. Bring them back down to the mat. Right arm, left leg. As you change from one side to the other, try not to allow the body to rock. Slowly bring them back to the mat. Left arm, right leg. Keep it going. Bring that down to the mat. Right arm, left leg. Bring it down. Left arm, right leg. Slowly bring it down. Last one each side. Right arm, left leg. Bring it down. Left arm, right leg. Slowly bring it down. Take the right leg out behind. Really stretch. And we're going to pulse for 10. Relax the shoulders, core engaged. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Left leg goes behind. Reach, pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Right leg comes out to the side. And we're going to pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Left leg goes out to the side, nice and straight. Core engaged, we pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. So we're going to take the right leg to the side, and then we're going to draw an arc with the toe. So lift it up and over the other leg, and lift it back up and back out to the right. Go again. And lift up, really reaching out through the toes. Making the leg as long as it can go. Core stays engaged, shoulders relaxed. Keep breathing. Just touch gently down each side as we go across. Lifting that leg as high as you can. Last one. Bring the knee back down. Take the left leg out behind. Bring it out to the left. Point the toe. Lift it up and over. Take it across the other leg. Lift it up and back. Go again. Keep breathing. Last one. Take it out to the side. Bring the knee back down. Push back into child pose. Let's give the wrists a break. Reach forward with the fingertips. Pushing back with the tailbone. And just breathe in. Okay, so we're going to come back up, but we're going to drop down to forearms. So elbow underneath shoulders, arms still shoulder width apart. Scoot the belly button in. Relax the shoulders. We're going to flex the foot of the right leg, and we're going to lift the knee, keep the knee bent, and we're going to take the leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring it down. Lift the left foot, flex the foot, left leg, lift it up, and we're going to pulse for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bring that knee back down. Keep breathing. Keep the shoulders relaxed, core engaged. I'm going to take the right leg out long behind. Lift and really stretch the toes away from the body. Small circles. Keep breathing. Change direction. Make sure the movement's coming from the hip, not from the ankle or the knee. Bring that knee down. Take the left leg out behind. Really point and stretch through the toes. Small circles. Okay, change direction. Bring the knee down. Push back to child pose. Okay, from child pose, you're going to bring the body weight forward. Drop down onto the forearms. Take the legs out behind and push up into Sphinx. So lower back stretch. Lift the chest away from the mat. Relax the shoulders down, away from the ears. Push into the hands and the lower arms. Push the bottom up and reach back. Keep the arms where they are. Just push the bum up into the air. Feel this stretch through the shoulders. Then bring the body weight forward and back into back stretch. So push through the hands. Keep them where they are. Don't move them. Push the bum up and back. Push the bum in the air. Take it down again. 2 more. Lift the bum up, push back. Bring it forwards. Lift the chest away from the mat. Last one. Push back, push the bum up into the air. Bring the body forward. Last back stretch. Bring the hands underneath the shoulders. Push up onto the knees and come back into box. So knees underneath hips, hands underneath shoulders. I'm going to do cat stretch. So relax the neck and shoulders. Scoot the belly button into the spine. Lift the belly button up as though you're taking it up towards the ceiling. Arch the back. Take the tailbone down towards the knees. Round the shoulders and look down at your knees. Pause there. And then allow the belly to drop down towards the mat. Drop the chest. Squeeze the shoulders together. Shoulder blades come together. Tailbone comes up to the ceiling. And look just ahead. Go again. So arch the back. Trying to get as much movement from your spine as you can. Really tuck that tailbone in. Then concave the back in the other direction. Arch the back. Really lifting the chest up away from the mat. Pushing through the arms, active arms. Concave the back. And for one more in each direction. Bring the back to neutral. And then we're going to come round to sitting. So a few wrist circles just to give them a little bit of a break. Bring the arms down, shoulder roll. And another one. Okay, that's it for the mat work. If you enjoyed this, please have a look at my other videos.